Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Then write Bluetooth, and if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. Then at the right top we have a device button. You need to click at this button. If you have Windows 10, not Windows 11, you will see this button at the top and you then tap on it. Then in this window we need to select Bluetooth, and now firstly we need to turn on these headphones. So at the right ear cup we have this multifunctional button between volume up and volume down buttons. You need to press and hold it, and you can check by this LED light as you turn on your headphones right here. We just did it. After that, near to it we have a Bluetooth button, and you need to press and hold Bluetooth button now until the LED light start flashing white and blue. So press and hold. Here we go, and now we just entered operating mode, so we should see these headphones at the device list. And right here we have it, tap on them, and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!